seller has been transferred. Home is available for annual rental as well. Custom-built home by Marvin Homes. High-end level 5 granite countertops and stainless steel appliances showcase the recently updated kitchen. Spacious open floor plan features 16 inches tile on the diagonal volume tray ceilings, complete with crown molding in the main living area and master suite. Master suite has plantation shutters for privacy. Surround sound throughout the main living area and master. Exterior of the home has tropical lush landscaping, paver driveway and accent lighting. Pavers recently installed on the extended lanai, which is accessible from the family room, living room and the master suite. New AC and water heater 2015. Oversized garage is 24x20 with whole house generator, hook UP and epoxy floors. No pool expense with this home. Southwind's heated community pool is a short distance away. This gated community is minutes to Fort Myers beaches and SANIBEL and CAPTIVA Island.